Now let's go to this ethical aspect. So from the privacy point of view, what is ethical? One example might be that you should not speak to other people about your client or about people that work with your clients, because sometimes consultants want to impress some people that they're privately good with, or they want to impress their potential clients, and then they start actually speaking about too many specifics about some other clients. This is certainly not ethical, if not illegal. So in any case, make sure that you do not mention the specifics of any of your clients or people working for them. Now, from the security point of view, what is ethical? You actually might ask your clients if they're okay with you using certain tools, like, okay, I already mentioned ChatGPT or others. So even if they're not restricting the use of such tools, you can actually ask them upfront if they agree with the usage of particular tools, just to make sure that they are comfortable with these kind of tools. So again, this is not required that you do it, but this is something that is ethical actually from you to ask them. And from intellectual property point of view, ethical would mean that you're not simply, changing just a little bit of the documents that you created for this client, that you're changing them for some other client. Because some people might think that these changes are enough so that from the legal point of view, they cannot sue you. It might be so, but this is not ethical. You should make sure that you're not using basically the same materials for several clients. Rather, you should make sure that you're actually thoroughly adapting these documents, policies and procedures, or any other documents that you're creating for them, so they are unique. Now, of course, if you have some templates that you use actually to adapt to each client differently, then of course it is ethical for you to use your own templates. But again, you need to adapt them thoroughly for each of your clients.